Hey girls, welcome back. So today I'm doing an unboxing of this kit that I've had sitting in my storage stuff for like a couple years now, unfortunately. I vaguely remember reviewing this from Gellen maybe a few years ago, and the only reason why I remember that is because of this box. It's so pretty to me. I honestly wish I could remember if I did it just an unboxing or if I did an actual set with this, but I was looking through my videos and nothing was jumping out at me, so I can't remember if it is a set that I did. I don't see it, but I do remember purchasing this off Amazon again after they sent it to me. This box is so gorgeous. My favorite thing to do when it comes to nails is acrylic, and that's why this summer I really want to do a lot of acrylic videos. The weather hasn't been so great the last few weeks, so it kind of sucks, but I see in the forecast for next week that it's supposed to be super nice, so I plan on getting a lot of acrylic videos done and I cannot wait. This kit comes with dual forms, some alcohol and gel wipes. They give you quite a bit too, so that's nice. Some slip solution, which I'll be using today, and a bag of rhinestones, which I'll also be using today. I always use the stones and stuff that come out of the kits for the most part. There's glitter in here, but I'm not going to use this. I'll probably give it away. I'm going to be using a polygel from Born Pretty, and the polygel has glitter in it already. 180 grit file and buffer, which I'm not going to be using because I'm going to be using my Young Nails file that I love. But I'm literally so excited for next week because the weather is supposed to be so nice. I found so much stuff in my storage box downstairs, I couldn't believe it. I don't know why I put that stuff in there, but I totally forgot about it. I found my alpha brushes, have 5 of those, and some other acrylic brushes. I found a ton of acrylic powders that I totally forgot about. It was literally like Christmas. Literally, I opened it up, I was shocked. I'm like, what? I thought I had already unpacked all that stuff, but I didn't. Girl, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get back into it. And if my son's grandma comes by, I want to do her nails with nail forms because I don't think I've ever done her nails with nail forms. I really don't. I can't literally think of a time that I use nail forms on her. But I'm just prepping these nails for the polygel to stick to. I'm not using primers or bonders or anything like that. But I am going to use the base coat from this kit just for the polygel itself. So these are the swatches from the kit. They're not the best. Don't come for me. The clear is extremely cloudy. The other colors are pretty much what they are. I should have put these polygels in a bowl of warm water. I haven't used them in a really long time, and they were very stiff to work with. A little trick for you guys, if you don't already know, to put your polygels in a bowl of warm water to loosen them up so it's easier for you to work with. I'll definitely try to keep the content mixed up. Some polygel, acrylic, gel-X, whatever. But with the nice weather coming up, I want to do a lot of acrylic. So I hope my girls are here for the acrylic videos because it's been a long time since I've been able to do acrylic and I really want to do a lot of it. So I know I mentioned a couple videos ago that I do have a lot of products from a certain company that did me dirty recently. And I'll still be using their products, I just will not be linking them, and I'm really sorry about it. It's just, I spent thousands of dollars over the years on their products, and I kind of have to use them because I have an abundance of it. But yeah, it is what it is, but I just wanted to be transparent with you guys because I will be using the products, but I won't be linking them. So if anybody's confused, I hope that clears it up. But I love creating my videos and I'll always continue to make my videos. One of my friends said the other day, so if you don't get a lot of views and you're not getting paid, what's the point? And I'm like, because it makes me happy. I like making my videos. I like creating. I like trying new things. I like nails, and that's what makes me happy. And honestly, if nobody even watched my channel, I would still create my videos. I would still make my content. I would still try new products. Money has nothing to do with it, because if it did, I would have been gone a long time ago, and that's the honest truth. Nails have saved my life in so many different ways. 2023, I lost 2 brothers, 2 siblings, and when they passed away, it was really hard to wrap my head around it. I also had my son that year, so it was like, here's a great moment, but then there's two devastating, traumatic events. And the only like calm between those storms was doing nails. Like, whether I was actually working on somebody or just creating something, whether I posted it or not, I was still doing something to take my mind off the traumatic events that were taking place in my life at the time. And I hope for everybody in life that they could find something that takes their mind to a different place without hurting themselves or anybody else. But for me, it actually happened to be nails. I'm forever grateful for the opportunity to learn to do nails, to go to school and get certified. For every single person that ever sat in my chair, for every person who watches my channel, likes a video, leaves a comment, for any company who's ever sent me even a polish. Like, I'm so grateful to be doing nails, and just everything to do with it has literally saved my life. Like, I cannot stress that enough. Like, it's a godsend, really. I always pray every day, every night, and I'm always so thankful for this career. Whether I'm working in a salon, whether I'm not, whether I'm just creating content, whether I'm just, it's a skill that is, I can go anywhere in the world and do it. I'm very grateful, and I'm grateful for every single person who's come along with me on this journey as well. But anyways, I watched this really amazing movie the other day called Straw on Netflix, directed by Tyler Perry. Amazing, amazing movie. You should watch it. It was super... The ending was a twister, a little bit of a twister, and I love that. And it was just such a good movie. Like, literally so realistic to so many people's lives. At this point, I'm just top coating the nails, and then I'm just going to use the same top coat to apply the gems. And then I'll show you guys the final look. So here's the final look. Let me know your thoughts and comments on this Gellen polygel kit. Look forward to some acrylic videos coming soon. And as always, be kind to everyone, including yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.